Okay, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about using the blogs engine inside the CMS. So first let's have a peek at some existing blogs. We only have 2 blogs set up in our demo site here. They automatically show up with the newest date at the top of the list, and they go back 90 days. As soon as your blogs are more than 91 days old, you have to click older posts and you'll see the next 90 days worth of posts after that. Each post can optionally have a video attached to it that can then be streamed or downloaded, and users can click on the videos list here and just see all of the videos from all of the blogs in one nice condensed list. So let's head over to the admin section and go into the blog editor. Okay, let's create our new blog. We'll call it Twisty Blog. Create. So I already have some text prepared on the clipboard. Here is text about 10 things we need to try to do while reaching our goals. So this is an HTML editor. You can actually hit the source button here and see all of the HTML that makes up your blog. So if you're fancy that way and prefer editing straight HTML, you are welcome to do so. Most folks just want to use this kind of like a Microsoft Word editor where it's just, you get to see bold, italic, and font sizes and things like that. So, editing is as simple as selecting some text, hitting B for bold. So let's save our changes. Now, some features about the blogs. You can always disable a blog so it disappears out of the list. That doesn't delete it, it just makes it not visible to users. Is Premium makes this blog only available to premium members of the site. You can click here to set the go live date. You can set the date in the future, just like updates, and on that date the blog will appear in the list. But we'll leave ours set to today. We can select a video from the list of uploaded videos, and we are going to pick this one. So that's the video that's now tied to this particular blog entry. The one thing that's not particularly clear is how to insert pictures into the blog. So put the cursor where you want it. Down here is our images manager. So if you wanted to upload more images into the utility section of the images, just drag and drop an image there and it'll upload right away. Here's the list of the images that we have available to us. In order to use one, we have to click on this image button here. And in order to get the URL for what the image is as it resides on the website, simply come down here and click on an image. And it says copied to the clipboard. So the URL for that picture is now on the clipboard. If we hit this and say paste, tab a few times, see it picked up the size of the picture, and we're going to put some space, 10 pixels horizontally and vertically, and we'll left align this picture. Okay, bang, and now the picture sits right into our blog. So let's check it out. Save changes and go to blogs. Here's our blog. 10 things to help you reach your goals. And if we click on this picture, we actually get to see it full res. Click again and it goes away. So the site intelligently just serves thumbnails. That's the little scaled down version of the picture. But when you click on it, you get the full res version. So pretty straightforward. We can hit stream, check out the video that we have associated with our blog. Nothing to it, works like a champ. So that's pretty much it. The blogs editor is straightforward to use. I hope you enjoy using it. Thanks for watching.